What's up, YouTube? True10 here with another video. Just wanted to share this catalog with you guys. I received it in the mail today. This is TNT's catalog for 2016. This is all safe and sane in California, so $10 off on this coupon if you spend $50 or more. True10. Anyways, let's get to it. This is what's new for 2016. Got the jalapeno popper fountain for $4. Neon 4s for $6.99. And what's kind of cool, they all got these little QR barcodes, or not barcodes, but the QR codes. You can scan it and see the effects before you purchase it. Raise your flag for $17.76. Seems a little steep for a fountain. Hopefully it's a decent size, who knows. And then right here, you got the 2 Good versus Evil for $20. Sparknado for $24.99. Whoa, that's getting pricier by the second. Magnetic Heat for $40. Wicked Strong for $60. You can follow them. Twitter, Pinterest, blah blah blah. Not trying to promote TNT, just showing you what I got. Could care less about the safe and sane crap. Next, these are the assortments. This is a little pyro pack bag for $20. Let's see if it focuses. Big value bag for $30, $40. 49er for $49, that makes sense. All American Perfect Show for $100. Thing. This one's for $500. I mean, I've seen videos on this. It's actually pretty big, but again, it's just a bunch of fountains. So unless you really like fountains, you would buy this, because fountains are pretty repetitive, same stuff. Let's see what's next. This is their buy one get one free items. Sparklers, of course. Little Red Devil. Firecrackle. Actually, it looks like a 9 on the board, but it's just fountains. Opening show, $70. Whoa. And this is their $5 menu. Surf's Up. What happened to the $5 menu? Oh, that's on this side. Just those. That's still part of the buy one get one free. And then this is what they got for $5. Or $5 and under, sorry. So just pretty much crackling balls and a little small jalapeno popper. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much what they have. It's officially a week till 4th of July. Hopefully everybody's got all their stuff ready. Everybody be safe out there. Have fun and be responsible. And let's blow some shit up. Have a good one, everybody. Thanks for watching. Peace out.